Top 10 countries with highest rape crime in the world. Number 10. Poland. Poland is a very developed country of the world. It is a well-educated country and women there have the right to live their life independently and according to their own style. Number 9. New Zealand. New Zealand is also a developed country and successful all over the world. It is very famous due to lifestyle and many sports team of this country. There are many crimes which are ruining the situation in this country like murder, kidnapping and most of all rape. Number 8. Germany. Germany is very famous country of this world, but this crime is increasing in this country very rapidly. About 240,000 women died only because of this crime up till now. It is 1/6 number due to high rate of rape, and in this year the total number of victims are about 5,000, which is a very big figure. Number 7. Argentina. Argentina is more famous all over the world due to street crimes from many years. But now from past 5 years rape cases are also increased in high rate. In this country working women and girls are not only raped but also killed after rape, which is worst for them. Number 6. Belgium. Belgium is a country which is under very serious threat for this shameful crime. The rate of this crime is increasing every year at about 30%. It looks like the government is not taking any measures to stop this crime and is not taking this crime seriously. Number 5. Sweden. Sweden is reported to have highest rape rate in the whole Europe. It is estimated that 1 from every 4 women becomes the victim of this serious crime. It is reported that the rate of this crime has increased about 58% in past 10 years. Number 4. United States of America. The superpower of the world is having a very high rate for this crime. Male in this country as mostly rapist and ratio is about 80%. Many young girls became the victim of this crime since they are only 14 years old. Number 3. Israel. The situation in this country is worse than all other countries of the world. The victims of this shameful crime are not only women but men as well. It is very bad to hear this woman and men are raped in this country. Number 2. Spain. Spain is well-developed country and beautiful as well. It is full of employment opportunities for the people all over the world. The rate of rape in this country is very high and increasing day by day. Number 1. India. India is a country in which the rate of rape is increasing day by day. This is the most common crime in this country. It is estimated that a rape case is reported in every 22 minutes, which shows how common this crime is in this country.